Good day everyone, especially to our instructor Sir Leo Arcayos, and today we will discuss the watertight integrity and the importance of keeping it within the ship. Watertight integrity refers to a ship's ability to prevent water from entering certain compartments or areas even when subjected to external pressure from the sea. This concept is crucial maintaining the vessel's buoyancy and stability, especially emergencies such as collisions, grounding, or heavy weather. Watertight integrity on ship refers dividing the ship into separate compartments using watertight bulkheads limits the spread of water in case of damage, allowing the ship to stay afloat even with a flooded compartment. Importance of maintaining watertight integrity. Safety, the crew and passengers, preventing water ingress, minimize the risk of flooding, reducing the chances of capsizing or sinking. Preservation of buoyancy and stability. Watertight bulkheads and doors help compartmentalize the ship. If one section is breached, the others remain dry, allowing the ship to remain afloat and upright. Damage control. Effective watertight integrity limits the spread of water in case of hull damage, making damage control more manageable and increasing the chances of survival and repair. Legal and regulatory compliance. Ships must adhere to international standards such as SOLA Safety of Life at Sea, which mandates specific watertight construction and maintenance practices. Operational effectiveness. In naval vessels, watertight integrity supports combat survivability. In commercial vessels, it helps rotate cargo and maintain delivery schedules. Maintaining water integrity involves regular inspection and maintenance of hatches, doors, valves, bulkheads, along with strict procedural discipline keeping watertight doors closed at sea.